Can you imagine how much we can make if we just combine the ICT concept with the LuxAlgo Premium? I know that a lot of you guys think that ICT concepts is a very complicated, so hard to learn. Bear with me. It is not. First thing first, head over to Indicators tab and search for LuxAlgo, and you will see indicators, signals and overlays, price action concepts, and type in backtesting. You will see a signals and overlays. Click to add to your chart, and after you add it, what I want you to do now is change your time frame to 5 minutes and change your ticker to none. Now we will do some couple of adjustments to maximize our profit. You are seeing now the signals and overlays, price action concept, and the backtesting system. So we will use backtesting system once to get the best sensitivity. So head over to the right top corner and see the best sensitivities over there. The 24, 25, 19, 22, 20. You can see the numbers. You will see that the 21 is the best sensitivity. It will give you 40% win rate on the 5 minute. And now change your time frame to 1 minute. We will see that it will change now. The 44% win rate sensitivity is 22. So I think the best sensitivity will be around like 18 to 24. You can decide whichever suits you. Now we are done with the backtesting system. It is very helpful tool to decide which sensitivity should you use, because this is the most common question that I get all the time. So this is your answer. Once we done that, now head over to price action concepts. Now we are looking for the market structure. You can leave everything enabled, but we don't need, actually you can just close the show us internal buy sell activity. The only thing we need here is the fair value gap and the pattern zones you can enable, and the daily, Monday, weekly, monthly, and the premium and discount zone is a crucial thing. If you done that, hit the OK button. Now head over to the signals and overlays. Now my sensitivity is 15. I'm checking over on my chart that if I get a lot of signals or not, and what I see here is I get the sell signal and it got profit. You can see that it gave automatically the X icon, which is a take profit. Then I get 3 classified buy signal with the fair value gap. So let's play around. We can increase this to 18. Let's see what we will get. I think it will decrease the signals obviously. So let's see. Didn't change so much, so we can go higher as 20 now. I think we can stick with the 20, right? We will enable trend catcher and trend tracer. You will go down. This is the new update. From now on, you can just enable the take profit and stop loss levels with the TP1, TP2, SL1, SL2. It's very nice update. We are enabling the AI classifier like always, so you can just disable the candle coloring. We don't use that much in that specific strategy. If you done that, just hit the OK button. You can disable also the volume because it's too much thing on your chart. We don't like that. The simplicity is the best. If you go over to ICT concepts, you will see that there are tons of concepts that you can learn. The fair value gap, the inversions, the breaker blocks, the turtle soups, Judas swing, every kind of thing. All of them is profitable, of course. Some of them is more profitable, some of them is less profitable. Today we will use order block concepts from the inner circle trader, and we are combining this strategy with the LuxAlgo Premium. Now think like that. We will create an ultimatum power to maximize our profit. Order block is very simple thing. Now I will explain you what is that exactly. Order block is when the price down to a significant low and it's clear out the yesterday low or the session low. We can see this bar, right? This is the low of the session, and we see a big fat green candle. This is what we call an order block. When this candle closes above this red candle, we call this as an order block. If you are interested more with the order block concept, I will link down below the inner circle trader original video. You can check out there. When price clears out the session lows, we will look for a big fat candle that clear out this high and low of this candle. This candle, what we call as an order block. This is our order block candle. Let's change the color quickly here. Let's make it a bold fat here. After you understand this, we will look for a bullish fair value gap like always, and we will look for inversion. This is a key level for the market. If you look over here, market opened at 9:30, it just dropped down here, it made a stop hunt, right? So stop hunt is very important before you took a position in the inner circle trader concepts. And the candle closes just above this candle and it gave us a bullish fair value gap, and it's clear out all these bearish fair value gaps. We had one here. Let's mark it out so you understand very clearly everything, right? This fair value gaps returns to what? An inversion. ICT sometimes call these bearish fair value gaps as a CB and the bullish fair value gaps as a BC. So don't get confused when you solve them. This fair value gaps returns to what? An inversion. So we can make this as a bullish inversion now. So all of this gave us a what? A signal. So these are all a signal for us to initiate our position. Because you know, if you just take a one trade per day, it is more than enough for you. In 1 month we have like 18 to 20 trading days. So if you just make a $500 every day, that's more than enough for us. The strategy is very simple. When you see this bullish fair value gap and we get a buy signal here from the LuxAlgo, and this is a 3 classified buy signal. After that, you will initiate your long position here with the bar close, and you will put your stop loss where? To just under the middle of this fair value gap, because if the price wanna come back, we don't wanna see that price just goes below this halfway of fair value gap. So you can also, you know, calculate this with the fib here. If you just put it here, you can see that this is 0.5. You can just put your stop loss just here, and we can target 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. This is the first option, and the second option is you can see that the LuxAlgo also put the X icon, which is a take profit icon here in the 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. It's just amazing. And you can also confirm the whole thing with trend tracer and trend catcher like always. I don't want to mention that over and over again, but you know the thing, these guys are highly profitable. You can always use these guys when you entering a position. What we got here, let's sum up. We have this order block thing. This is our main thing to enter a long position. We saw that market clear out this, made a stop on, and this candle what we call a order block. Now let's see the same scenario on the 1 minute time frame. Let's go to market opening, and this is just from the today. I'm not cherry picking. This is happening over and over again. Just simple as it. So where you see the order block now? Very easy, right? You understand it. See? You just understand in the 5 minutes. This is what we call an order block. We got a 2 classified buy signal. Let's delete this Fibonacci here. We got a 2 bullish fair value gaps. We have an inversion here on the 1 minute time frame. You can see that this was a bearish fair value gap. Now it returns to what? A bullish inversion. We got a 2 classified buy signal from the LuxAlgo Premium toolkit, and we got our confirmation from our best friends Trend Catcher and Trend Tracer. So all you need to do is just initiate your long position with this order block candle. So we will initiate our position here. We will target 1 to 2 one more time. So the stop loss is this fair value gap, halfway of it. This is it. This is how you trade. Here is the bonus tip. This is very important. I always do that, but I learn how to manage my positions and risk. When the price hits this target 1 to 2, let's say, and you got X icon from the LuxAlgo, what you will do, you will close half of your position and you will put your stop loss to your break even and you will let your trade ride, and once the trade goes up you will trail your stop loss. This is how you will maximize your profit. This is very important because you can see that there is a high increase in the price. There is a high trend. How much it is? It is 0.5% increase in the futures market is crazy. If you just catch this move even twice in a week, that's enough for you. You don't need to trade rest of the week. That's it. That's how you will trade. That's how you will manage. We will not follow every signal that appears on our chart. We will use our mind and our eyes because the price action will give you the money that we need. So that was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, please consider watching those videos, and until the next time, see you soon.
From the city to the beach, you've had a nights in reach. Trading stocks, making moves on the boss at 3 T1. Got the hustle in my blood.